Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to watch someone stories in Instagram without letting them know. You don't need any website, third-party application or anything. You can do it from your Instagram application itself. So how to do that, I will show you in my mobile screen. So here you can see I have posted this story 25 seconds ago. Now I will go to my this account. This is Hitech Talk. You can see a new story is posted here. The red one you can see. So what I will do, I will click on flight mode. Okay, I will view this second story. You can see this story I viewed. Now I will close this app. Now I will remove this flight mode. Now the internet is restored. Now I will switch back to my that account and I will show you that the name will not appear in that story. So here you can see 10 views are there, out of which my Hitech Talk account is name is not there. So this I have shown you the live proof. So I hope you will find this video useful.